Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to remove authenticator from your Steam account. To do it, you have to simply go to your browser and search for store.steampowered.com. Then you have to search for it. Then you have to log in, and once logged in, click on your profile name at the top right corner. Here you can see this. Then you have to tap onto account details. You scroll down to account security, search for the account security. Here you can see this option, account security, and click on manage Steam Guard, the first option here. Tap onto it. Then you have to click on remove authenticator. Click the gear icon and select remove authenticator, then confirm and click remove, and that's it. Once done, you will see a confirmation message that the authenticator has been successfully removed. That's it. Now you know how to remove the authenticator from your Steam account. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more this type of videos. See you in the next video.